it's Amanda, the Creative Gardener. So I'm here at Agrofest. We've just actually literally come. So I'm going to show as much as I can. Today's the last day, so I'm hoping to get some discounts on some plants, who knows. And right now we are going to get some food. So yeah, as I said, I'll try and video and show you as much as I can along the way. Okay, so it's Amanda again. So I was just behind me. You can see the pink bins, and they're doing a recycling program. Unfortunately, what I need to do is get as many people in my area interested in recycling. It's a really good idea. It's really cheap. $20 it's $20 a month to have your recycling picked up on a weekly basis. Now, but it's a private company. The guy's buying the machines himself, buying the bins himself, and it's something that the government needs to be investing in, because I can't, at the moment, I can't get my recycling collected because there's not enough people to make me paying $20 a month a viable thing for his business. So I'm trying to encourage as many people as I can around Barbados, around my area in Christchurch, to sign up to the program. $20 a week, or is it a month? It's $20 a month to pick up your recycling every week. Anyway, so that's one of the stops that I made here, and I'm going to look for some breadfruit, a breadfruit tree, and some herbs. Oh, this soursop tree. I think I've got soursop tree. Anyway, the journey continues. Okay, so I've come to the livestock area, and I'd like some chickens and some black-bellied sheep and what else? Anyway, I'm going to look around. Okay, so this is what I got from Agrofest. I've got what's this? This is a ginger lily, a red ginger lily. It has some amazing red flowers. I got bread nut. I've watered them since I got home, and so this is a bread nut tree. The thing that when I looked it up, it said when you roast the nuts, They taste like chocolate. So it's like, right, I've got to have that. Anyway, so it's edible, you've got fibre, lots of vitamins. It's an amazing plant. This guy was telling me, I'm not sure how accurate, that the bread nut and the jackfruit were blended together to make the breadfruit. But because the breadfruit, you don't have seeds, you have to grow it from if a shoot kind of comes up from the roots itself. So anyway, and I've got what's this again? Let me see. Pommerac. This is like a cross between an apple and a pear in terms of the texture. I've seen trees in other people's gardens. There's one that I pass, and I don't think they eat it. But it's supposed to be, yeah, it's a nice fruit. It's red. It's red. It's red. It's nice because it's red. And then swiftly passing here, this is, somebody gave me some palms. So in this particular area, I'm trying to put some plants here. Again, I'm on a budget, so looking around the place where the rocks seem to be kind of spewing themselves out of the soil. So I'm going to put put some more plants here anyway in this particular bit, because I've got the concrete path here, and you only need a certain size for your path. And then the other thing I got was sea grapes. So this one was quite a nice specimen, and I've got a friend they've got a kind of fence of it, but the grapes are edible. So there you go. I've got 3 plants that are fruit plants, and you can eat from it, and that's again leaning towards my growing a food forest. In this area, they've just kind of become a kind of, this is where plants will come, and then I have to decide where I want to put them around the place. So we'll see. And I want them to thrive. So I got these from the Minister of Agriculture, these particular plants, and the 4 plants came up to $26. So if you imagine how much, like $26 is like what, 10, 9, 8 pounds, maybe say 10 pounds, just rounding it up. And I've got these plants that will bear fruit and provide food for the family and whoever else is in the neighbourhood that I can share with. I'm not sure about the red lily. I think it's just like, in terms of beautiful flowers, highly scented, and they can go with the Mexican sunflower and the ferns that I've been getting. I'll show you what I've been growing and how, as cut plants in a vase, they look beautiful. Anyway, so that was my adventure at Agrofest. I only saw a fraction of it. By the time I got the plants, it was just like, I need to go home. But there's a lot more to see, and there was a concert at the end, but I didn't get to see that, as I said. But it's definitely well worth going. And I'm going to contact the Minister of Agriculture, because they have other plants and they sell them for reasonable price. And because we are also in Barbados trying to plant 3,000 trees every day for the next 365 days. And so I'm 3 down on my target. And I've got some others, to plant as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you have an enjoyable time when you go to, say, any big plant agricultural festival that's in your area. So take care for now. Remember to subscribe and subscribe to the channel, and you better not be eating my plant. I need to put a barrier here. Anyway, take care for now. From me and Carl, we'll see you soon.